Let's make a quick card today using some Pink and Main Foilables items and then the Kendra's Card Challenge 13 sketch number 10. These items actually came to me in a mystery card making kit that Kendra sends to her all access patrons as part of her Patreon membership program each month. And it's usually just a small sampling of products from one of the sponsor companies for that particular quarterly challenge. And I think the shine on the cardstock and the foiled paper is just gorgeous. I've not played with these before. And Pink and Main is actually a super sponsor for this quarter's card challenge. So they've provided some fun products and prizes to those that play along with the quarterly challenge. And you can actually find out more about the challenge and these products down in the description box below. But like I said, I've had fun playing with these. I love the shine. And I love how my card came out. I hope you guys are enjoying the shimmer and shine as well.